Tired of the traffic jams and the long, slow roads. Got a dream of freedom, watch how it unfolds. I've got a classic beauty painted white and blue, a Cessna 172 waiting just for you. 4 seats for your family or a weekend crew. Imagine all the places with this bird's eye view. Oh, buy my airplane, take to the sky. Leave your worries on the ground and wave the world goodbye. It's a reliable skyhawk, solid and so true. A lifetime of adventure is calling out for you. The engine runs so smoothly, the maintenance is done. Ready for a sunset flight, chasing the setting sun. The logbooks are all perfect, every detail clear. Your very own magic carpet is sitting right here. Oh, by my